Christian Arcand and Tom King here from ESPN New Hampshire's Christian and King, weekdays from noon until 3. Tom's going to need the batting practice because I smoked him this week, and Christians, believe it or not. Today, made it 2 out of 3 on the week that I fooled him on, and fooled some texters as well, as our new text machine is up and going. Tom, how do you feel about that? You got a whole weekend, plus Monday, to sit and think about what you could do better maybe next week in Christian's
Work on my hitting.
Yeah,
That's
work on
it.
your hitting.
That's
Okay.
it.
Well, we had a great show today. Matt Langoni of the Lowell Sun came on talking Celtics with us early on in the show. We talked with Dave D'Onofrio of the Union Leader about the Red Sox and what to expect from them this year. And then we made our picks.
Who's your World Series winner?
My World Series winner is the Cincinnati Reds, the Big Red Machine. How about you?
My World Series winner is the Washington Nationals, managed by a guy who's almost as old as I am.
Right, yeah.
That's it. Yep.
There we go. We're loving the NL this year, I guess. We're off on Monday because Red Sox opening day, but we're back on Tuesday, same time, noon to 3. Christian Arcand, Tom King, Christian and King. We'll talk to you then.